Hey guys, welcome back in my new video. Today I'm gonna build this DIY 3D printed wireless earphone. It's a wearable innovation. If you are a music lover, then this is what you definitely build one yourself. Let me wear it and show you how it look like. Here I have already printed this part using a 3D printer. If you don't have a 3D printer, then you can try GLC 3DP 3D printing service. Just visit glc3dp.com. GLC 3DP provides 3D printing service with different kind of material. To order 3D printed parts, just upload your CAD file, select material which one you like and place the order. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. If so, then please like the video and subscribe the channel for more upcoming updates like this.